Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. So guys, today my topic is how to Windows 7 in your computer. Installing Windows 7 on a computer can be done by following these steps. Check the system requirements before installing Windows 7. Make sure that your computer meets the minimum hardware requirements for Windows 7. These requirements include a 1 GHz or faster processor, 1 GB RAM for the 32-bit version or 2 GB for the 64-bit version, 16 GB of free disk space for the 32-bit version or 20 GB for the 64-bit version, and a DirectX 9 graphics device with WWDM 1.0 or higher driver. Back up your data before starting the installing process. It is important to back up all of your important files and data. Pre- Prevent data loss during to installing the installing process. Obtain a Windows 7 installation disk or USB drive. You can purchase a Windows 7 installing disk or Windows an ISO file from Microsoft website and create a bootable USB drive using software like Fufus or Windows USB DVDs tool. Insert the Windows 7 installing disk or USB drive. Insert the installing disk or USB drive into your computer and restart the computer. If you want to Windows 7 on your computer, you will need to Windows 7 installation disk or USB drive and a valid Windows 7 product key. Here are the steps to install Windows 7 on your computer. Insert the Windows 7 installation disk or USB drive into your computer CD, DVD drive or USB port. Restart your computer and boot from your Windows 7 installation media. To do this, you may need change the boot order your computer BIOS setting. Once your Windows 7 installer loads, select your language or other platform preference and click the Install Now button. Read and accept the license terms and then click the Next button. Choose the type of installation you want to perform. Upgrade for customer. Follow the on-screen instruction. If you want to perform a clear installation of Windows 7, choose the custom option. Select the drive on which you want to install Windows 7 and click the next button. If your drive has existing partition or data, you may need to delete them first. Follow the on screen the computer the installation Windows 7. This will involve entering your product key, choosing your computer name and time zone, setting up your user account, and selecting your network performance. Once the installation is complete, you can to start using Windows 7 on your computer. Note is worth mention that Windows 7 is no longer supported by Microsoft by may pose security risks if you use online. It's recommended to upgrade to more recent and supported version of Windows such as Windows 7. So guys, this is video part 1. Part 2 is coming soon.